Meanwhile, the U.S. set a new single daily record with more than 75,000 COVID-19 cases reported Saturday, according to NBC's news tally. Meanwhile, the country's death toll has now surpassed 140,000. In the last 24 hours, more than 10,000 COVID-19 cases were confirmed in Florida, increasing the state total of positive cases to more than 337,000. 90 more people died, bringing the death toll to over 4,800. Miami-Dade is reporting an increase of 3,100 cases, bringing the total there to more than 81,000. Then in Broward County, they're reporting more than 38,000 cases. And in Monroe, they had 42 new cases, bringing their total to 810. Meanwhile, in Houston, Texas, the largest medical center in the world is now at 104% ICU capacity. The public health director of one of the counties there says that 85 children under 2 years old have tested positive for the virus. And in Los Angeles, the mayor is considering another lockdown. Right now, 27 states and the Director of Columbia are requiring face masks in public.
Feels like a war zone a little bit.
Well, back here in South Florida, frontline workers are feeling the strain of the latest surge. NBC6's Derek Lewis has the latest on the situation at our hospitals. Good morning, Derek.
Good morning, Kristen. Doctors and nurses are really feeling the pressure as the number of people hospitalized continues to rise. And as they're trying to take care of the community, we're learning they are getting sick themselves. The state health department reported an increase of 441 hospitalizations on Saturday.
Busier than we've ever been, sicker than we've ever been.
Dr. Mark Supino works at Jackson Memorial.
Feels like a war zone a little bit.
Governor Ron DeSantis says help is coming. He says he is working with the White House to get more Remdesivir, a drug used to treat COVID-19 patients.
We are getting 30,000 more vials of Remdesivir sent to the state of Florida, actually sent directly to the hospitals from the Gilead distributor, and those will be arriving within the next 48 to 72 hours.
More than 337,000 people in Florida have tested positive for COVID-19, including a nurse at Jackson Memorial.
I could not get a breath in at all, to the point where I thought I had to go to the hospital.
Jackson Healthcare told NBC6 News on Friday from 130 to 200 staff a day could be out with the virus. Wednesday, the number was 137. The most, 60, came from Jackson Memorial Hospital. Maria Suleiman says medical professionals are doing the best they can to fight the virus as she plans to get back to work soon.
I'm just trying to get complete strength because what I'm about to walk into is a war zone.
Now, just to give you some information about hospitals and the staffing in our area, Kendall Regional tell us they staff appropriately. The state of Florida has sent 150 nurses to Jackson Memorial to help with the increase, and Baptist hired 100 new full-time workers within the past few weeks.